Let's solve a LeetCode problem. We have given an integer array and also we have given an integer number which is target. Now we need to find the two numbers. The sum of the two numbers should be equal to the target number. For example, in this entire array, 6 plus 4 which is equal to the target number. Now we need to find the indexes of these two numbers. In this case, the 6 index is 0 and the 4 index is 3. We need to return 0, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you understand the problem. Now let's discuss the solution for this. We can easily solve this problem by using HashMap. What we can do is we can run a loop starting from 0 index. Initially, the I pointer which is pointing to the 0th index. Now we need to find the another number. Now the two numbers sum should equal to the target number. How we can find the another number? In fact, we can solve this by using a formula. In mathematics, there is a formula which is number 1 plus number 2 is equal to sum. Now, in order to find the value of any one of these number, what we can do is we can move the number 2 to the right hand side. Now it becomes sum minus number 2 is equal to number 1. This is how we can find the another number. The same formula we will apply here. We have the target number. Now we will apply the formula target minus current number. We will get the another number. Since the I is pointing to the 0th index, target minus current number, which is 10 minus 6, which is 4. Now we will find that 4 whether it is present inside the hash map. It is not present in the hash map. We are going to add the current number 6 and the index. The map contains key value pair. The key will be number and value will be the number index. Next, we are going to move the I pointer to the next. Now, I pointer is pointing to the first index. We will apply the same formula, target minus current number. 10 minus 8, which is 2. We are going to check in the map whether 2 is present. The 2 is not present. We are going to add the number 8 and the index, which is 1. Next, we are going to move the pointer to the next. Now the I pointer is pointing to the second index. We are going to apply the same formula, target minus current number, 10 minus 10, 0. We are going to check in the map whether 0 is present. The 0 is not present. We are going to add the number, which is 10, and we are going to add the index, which is 2. Next, we are going to move the I pointer to the next. Now I pointer is pointing to the third index. We are going to apply the same formula, target minus current number, 10 minus 4, which is 6. Now we are going to check in the map whether the 6 is present. Yes, we found the number, which is 6, and the value of the 6 is 0. We are going to return the index, and the I pointer currently pointing to the third index. We are going to return the index 3. Now we get the indexes 0, 3. The value of these numbers, which is 6, 4, is equal to the target number. This is how we are going to solve this problem. I hope you understand the solution. Go ahead and try it out in the LeetCode.